Yo, AC, you guys have got to fix your game. Me and my friend are trying to play right now, but we can't. We've been at it for like 2 hours trying to join a code together, but we can't because we're in two complete different versions. So you guys have got to fix this like immediately. Like you have one player base on this side and one player base on this side. And then you can't get them together. You have to fix this. And like some of these people are friends and they want to actually play with each other and have fun, maybe go on adventures, build something. But they can't because you won't fix your game. So just please fix your game.